This video shows how to read and write maps data on the Ford VD1CP110 ECM. What you'll need: Keymaster G3 USA, high-powered DC regulated power supply, main cable, ECU clone jumper, MPO01 programmer, Ford VD1CP110 ECM. Make sure to update the software to the latest version before we get started. Tap ECU flasher. Select Car ECM. Search for the module in the upper right corner to quickly find the corresponding option. Tap Guide and carefully read the warm reminder. Menu description, operation guide, connection methods, and special notes. Select bench mode and the appropriate adapter. Tap Connector Pinout. Now refer to the wiring diagram to make the connection. Tap Start. First, make the ECU connection. Connection successful. After the connection, back up the original maps data. You can customize the file name, and the saving path along with operation records will be displayed on the left side. Now, we'll write data to the module. The CS label in the upper right corner of the right button indicates that this data supports data checksum. Select Load External Data. Tap OK. You can quickly locate the desired file by its file name, creation time, file size, or search in the top right corner. Select the file and tap OK. It will prompt whether data checksum is required. If the data has not been modified, simply tap No to write it. If modifications have been made, tap Yes. Data written successfully. Operation completed.